Can we talk about how much time you spend waiting for water to boil on the stove? Whether it's for your morning coffee, tea, instant noodles, or cooking, it feels like forever, right? Well, this electric kettle is about to change your life by making boiling water the fastest, easiest part of your day. Seriously, once you have one of these, you'll wonder how you survived without it. What makes this electric kettle such a must-have? It's powered by 1000 watts, which means it brings water to a boil in just minutes, not the eternity you're used to waiting on the stove. The capacity ranges from 1 to 3 liters depending on which size you choose, so whether you're making a single cup or enough for the whole family, you're covered. The stainless steel filter keeps your water clean and free from impurities, while the BPA-free construction means no nasty chemicals leaching into your drinks. The auto shutoff feature is brilliant for safety. Once the water boils, it turns off automatically, so you can't accidentally leave it running and burn out the element. The handle stays cool to the touch, and the spout pours smoothly without spilling or splashing everywhere. Plus, it's super energy efficient compared to heating water on the stove. Perfect for your kitchen, office, dorm room, or anywhere you need hot water fast. If you're ready to speed up your mornings and make hot beverages infinitely easier, the link to get this fast-boiling electric kettle is in the description and comments below. Your morning routine just got a major upgrade.